back to my channel. It's me, your girl, your baby girl, Peculiar Beauty. So guys, today is 31st. So I decided to do vlog because vlog just dey hungry me. I decided to give you some vlog. Yeah, I decided to give you guys some vlog. Guys, like today I really don't have much, not much, but I need to cook, I need to clean the house. So I decided to take you guys along, but I don't know how you guys are going to see this vlog. Please manage it. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, guys. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and beautiful New Year. Guys, thank you all so much for the love, for the support, everything you guys have done for me from January to this new year. I really do appreciate. Thank you. Accept my appreciation. Accept it from the bottom of your heart, okay? So guys, let's get into this video. Let's vlog. Today is vlog in my house, not outside. We are not going anywhere, guys. Like, I'm so stressed, I'm sick, like I'm just tired. I don't really know what to do because as you see me like this now, I know just where at all. I just dey manage, but you know, as a YouTuber now, what can I do? I don't have choice. I just need to give you guys the content, like the vlog. Accept my vlog the way it is. Oh la 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 bugawa, let me buga, let me see you buga. So guys, you see, I have a lot of this cheese here, not so much, just few, and I have catfish. I just bought this catfish now. I'm going to prepare this. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to prepare this catfish. So let me leave it here. We are cooking ogbolo soup, okra. This is my fish. This is my meluza fish. I don't know, I like meluza fish so much, but when I was in Nigeria, I don't eat meluza like that because of the type. I don't know if it's because of the type. I don't know why. I just love this one so much. It's very good when you fry it. So sweet. So this is what we'll be using. And this one, I bring it out from the fridge. This is our goat's meat. I'll be using this goat's meat for my okra. This is one is a shaki. I have my remaining what is it called, cow leg. This one is the cow leg, the one that I boiled before. Everything is here. I boiled some, and later I found out that it was too much, so I decided to remove small from it. The day I cooked this one, I cooked this one with pepper already. So this is it, guys, and that's all. Okra, yes, we are preparing okra. So guys, let's get in the video. All these fish that you are seeing now, I have washed them before. Do you understand? So I'm washing it again because I don't know if blood enter the this thing, the meat. So I'm washing them again. I've washed them before. This is me just doing the last washing. So this is what it looks like inside. I've poured water here. A husband in the kitchen cooking now. Cook now, you know. Not try. You'll see yourself on YouTube. Now where's the payment now? That will not mean say I no go off phone now. Why you call they do like this now? And that one come mean say I no go feel off phone. What say you dey? Not be me cook. Sadly, na me cook food though. Just because of small semo way they make now, you not go let me hear what. Wait till that one come me. You know that one put up for YouTube. You just they conclude. Husband in the kitchen, only semo way one make now. Not let me hear what though. Voila. Only semo. Become it only why you not make them for inside the container. Which one be no. Ask me for one. Now so you like to they make them for inside a rubber. I don't know why they make some for inside rubber. Later you come to na for inside pot. Me not like that. Now stress. All those on stress on me. Now stress. You they give yourself so stress.
Which stress?
Me, I not wait for years, so.
You're going to do what you like now. You want to do what you like.
I want you still to do small vlog. All those things. If face not the show, you go to complain for that. I'll put your face now. Share the soup out now,
You brought water back there.
You said you want to put her for fire. This is the hot as well.
I've always noticed.
I cannot continue this vlog. I was thinking to do the catfish to prepare it. I was just thinking, okay, let me just do vlog, like just do vlog for the new year, you understand? And all these things started, like I could not even finish. After I must have finished cooking my food, you saw me when I was cleaning, I was feeling severe pain. Even before I left for supermarket this early morning, I was having severe pain, but it was not that serious. I've never in my life felt this kind of pain. Like, I know that when I was in Nigeria, I do feel pain. Even my next neighbor will know that I am menstruating. But now, this sharp pain, I was telling my husband this morning that I am feeling pain in my like on this place under my stomach. I'm feeling pain. Oh my god, this thing is just dragging me. Like, I've never felt this kind of pain before in my entire life. I don't really know what is this. Guys, I could not finish up my vlog. Like I said, let me just do only this one vlog, but this thing just scatter all the plans, how I'm going to do my vlog. Everything just go like that. Like, guys, it's not easy. Like, now we just finished eating. You see, Obi is helping me to wash the plate. The plate is just there. I could not wash the plate like I earlier said. I could not wash the plate. Just try to eat. Even I never eat. That time you just see me eating, that was only the time I ate and I left. I just put only tiri seed. Like, I just eat only tiri seed. Not that my hubby was telling me that I should take something. Maybe it's because I've not eaten. That's why the thing is getting worse and all that. Guys, this thing is not just joke. It's not joke. I've never been myself like for so long. When I was in Nigeria, this thing have never happened to me. Only when I'm menstruated then. But when I came to Italy for the past 8 years now to 7 years, like, I've not experienced menstrual pain, like paining me. Sometimes if I'm even menstruating, that is very like sitting down close to me will not know unless I tell you that I am menstruating. Do you get? But I don't know if this is menstruation. I just pray this is menstruation. But if it's menstruation, the pain is worse. Like the pain is worse, as if I want to give birth. The pain is worse. Like I've never experienced this kind of pain in my entire life. Like never. All the vlog I tend to do today, no, all of them I did not do anything again. After I finished cooking, I decided to just come inside the house to come and relax myself and all that. So hobby have been helping me now to wash the dishes and all that. So maybe I will try to do another vlog telling you guys how I am feeling. I don't know, but I shall know that I will do another vlog because of that catfish. Guys, I really wanted to take you guys along how I prepared my catfish and all that, but I don't really know. You guys should just pray for me. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate. Like the pain is getting worse. Oh. Like, yeah, this is the place that is paining me. I've taken some paracetamol. I just finished taking some paracetamol now. When I finished eating, I took some medicine now. Maybe it's going to cool it down. Like, even if I go to my doctor and all that, he's going to give me the same medicine I just drank. That is the problem. Even Obi was telling me if he should call ambulance. Even if they called ambulance for me, they will still bring me back home. They will tell me nothing is wrong with me, but the thing is just so painful. I've never been myself like this before. Like I've never, me coming here to film this kind of video, I've never done such. Like I just have to film this video because I am doing this vlog. I could not continue my vlog. I'm sorry if you were expecting much from the vlog. If you still like my vlog, thank you. I do really appreciate. Please subscribe, like and share this video, guys. Did you see me? I'm so sick. I'm sick. Mama mia. Hey, bye guys. I just have to end this vlog here. Like, hey, it's in the draw me.